Hello everyone and welcome to our video series on Learn French for Beginners. Our series for A1 or the beginners level consists of 120 lessons, and there are some additional videos on vocabulary, grammar, questions and culture, that you should cover up under this syllabus. In this lesson you will learn a few greeting in French. Throughout the videos we will be working on this pattern. The French word will appear in blue, whereas the English translation will follow in white. So let's begin.
If you talk to a man in a language he understands, that goes to his head. If you talk to him in his own language, that goes to his heart. Nelson Mandela.
Le soin.
Once again.
Le soin. Les salutations.
For greetings. Once again.
Les salutations.
In this video, we are going to discuss different forms of greeting used in various speaking countries. The greeting will give you a feeling of the French pronunciation. And to have a good command of the language, please repeat what you listen a few times after me. So, here's the first one.
Bonjour.
Once again.
Bonjour.
The next one is
Bonne journée.
once again.
Bonne journée. Bonjour.
Once again.
Bonsoir.
Once again.
Bonsoir. Bonne nuit.
Once again.
Bonne nuit. Salut.
Once again.
Salut. Au revoir.
Once again.
Au revoir. Bon après-midi.
Once again.
Bon après-midi. À bientôt.
Once again.
À bientôt. À plus tard.
Once again.
À plus tard. À demain.
Once again.
À demain. À lundi.
Once again.
À lundi. Ce qui nuit à l'un nuit à l'autre.